Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Sunday, February 7th. Good luck to your football team tonight. Super Bowl is on, so enjoy that. But before you watch that, you better watch this because this will help you with the market conditions in the coming days. So let's take a look at SPY, and that's all I'm going to do today, just so you have something to keep your eye on for Monday. I'm going to give you a full analysis and you can evaluate it. I can tell you we will probably end this month right in this area, or maybe, yeah, I think right here in line with the 50, and this is the monthly chart right here. So I think about 180, 179 is going to be pretty good support. I am looking for a big up in March, but we'll see what happens uh, in the coming weeks for now. But we're going to get some chop right now. Absolute chop. So we want to pay attention to the chop because that's how we make money on all these awesome tickers, especially if you're trading options. If you're a long investor, I wouldn't be going too long. Make sure you understand what the market conditions are right now, and they are not in an uptrend. Okay, they are not in an uptrend. They are in a downtrend. This is an uptrend. This is a downtrend. Okay, so it is what it is, but we can make the best of it, especially if you're trading options. Last week, my trades that I sent out on the WhatsApp did outstanding. My target is, only 30%. That's all I want to get. I think it was 1,800% for the week. 17 trades came in. Two are still open, or three are still open. So anyway, let's take a look at here and what we're going to do for the weekly. We're going to drill this down just a little bit. As I said, that was the monthly. Now we're looking at the weekly right here. And here's your little support. You can see it a little bit, real nice, right? All right. So the weekly is showing, and this is how we ended the week here with a little bit of a down. We had this beautiful move here to here, which is outstanding. Didn't get followed through on a third candle, but 2 weeks green is absolutely fantastic. Nice little break now. We had 1 week in the red. Guess what's going to happen this week? I think we're going to go green. Okay. I do have a target for an open on tomorrow, and then I do think we open red. We'll have to see what happens there, but I think we're going to be down about 63 points on the Dow before starting to recover for the next 3 days. Understand we have a nice little gap right here. There's a lot of little gaps, so we're going to drill this down to the daily now. Taking a look at the daily, did break the middle Bollinger Band, and you can see here the lower Bollinger Band is right here. Our extension is pretty tough right now. We have this lower Bollinger Band at 185.63. You do have this several bottoms coming in right here on the daily that you want to pay attention to. That's probably the reason why it bounced. You have many tickers, many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles sitting here, acting as support right now. Is it going to hold? Who knows? We'll have to see on Monday and Tuesday, see if we can get through this here before we start trekking up to the 194 area. I think 194 is a little bit of aggressive. This is daily. I'm going to focus in on the hourly because we're looking at for the week. We're not going to look at, the daily would be a couple of weeks. But you can see here, the middle Bollinger Band's right here about 189.89. And that is nice support. Your relative strength index is starting to pick up just a little bit. We're going to need a double bottom to form with more volume to increase. This was the last hour yesterday to get this reversal, but you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles to the downside. Okay, it was hellacious. It was absolutely lucrative, and it was fantastic. But all the targets were hit, as you can see. Wick, 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 and wick, and then bounce. Okay, now we get a little bit of turn on your relative strength index. We want to have a double bottom on this right here, 187.15 area, or close to that. Actually, I'm sorry, the 187.63 is what I'm looking for a dip tomorrow, somewhere in that area. All right, so let's break this down to the 30-minute. You can see a 30-minute, 3 candles. Usually your fourth one is going to be red, okay? So that's another reason why I'm saying it's going to open a little bit down tomorrow. That's what I'm hoping for. But we'll have to keep an eye on this. I'm not going to drill down any further, but understand what I'm looking for is some definite targets to be hit, and this is one of them right here for this week. I'd love to see it come up and hit the 190. This is what we do. We go up and we go down and we go up and then we go down and then we go up. Keep it simple. Okay, for my trade members, I know we have a huge group now following WhatsApp. What I'd like you to know is we're going to make our trades in the first probably 45 minutes of the morning. I do have the 8 tickers. After 13 hours of hard work, we have the 8 tickers that I will be trading this for the start of the week. Probably make only 3 more trades after that for the week. But we have these nailed down to a science, and these will have the best ATR, the best Bollinger Band spread, the best volume, the best of option movement. So as you could see last week, the list that we had in the same prep work really paid off. It beat the 30% and we hit 1800% or something like that. I'm not even sure. So this week, starting out with this eight group of eight, we should have no trouble getting our 30%. If we get 1800, 1900, 2000%, fantastic. But the list is ready, and I will be communicating to your phones via WhatsApp by probably about 8:45 tomorrow morning, and you will get these alerts. And I'm going to give you my entry price I'm looking for, exit, the target, my stop, and we'll go from there. Okay? Everyone have yourself a fantastic night. Oh, if you want to be a My Trades member, just underneath this video on YouTube, click that link. It'll take you right over. You don't have to be a member to the website. This is just a totally separate service, and you could follow My Trades ins, outs, and all the happenings. Have yourself a fantastic night and enjoy football. If you're not watching football, enjoy a movie. Have a great night.